Hello and welcome to this short instructional video on how to use your college game show unit. Very simple here. You're going to start by opening up the case. Inside you'll find all the components necessary to make your game work. What you need to do is remove the foam, and when you do so, place that foam back in where it came and place the laptop back on top of the foam and open it up. First thing you're going to do is remove your audience reply system. You're going to take that and you're going to plug it into the slot marked USB on the left side of the laptop. Next thing you're going to want to do is remove the adapter. This VGA adapter will allow you to plug it into your own projector. Next, you want to pull out the power and plug it in so you make sure your unit doesn't turn off. Power is located at the top left portion, as you can see here. And the final thing you want to do is plug it into your own projector and sound. Simply plug it into a VGA cable and then plug just a basic mini cable or 1/8" cable into the headphone jack of the laptop to fly audio for your sound. Once everything is hooked up, the last thing you want to do is in the upper right-hand corner, press the button to turn your unit on. All right, at this part, we're going to go through. I'm going to show you how everything works here in your software. You got a choice of shows, teams, tournament, virtual host, help, update, project show, and shut down. You can simply get to these by using the arrow keys, moving them up or down. We'll start up top with shows. If you hit return, it'll show you a list of shows that you have. On this one, we have a 90s show, an alcohol awareness, fashion show, and several of our general popular culture shows. Simply move up and down using the arrow keys to select the show that you want. And simply to begin the show, hit return, and your show will begin automatically. At that point, the show will run itself, and you sit back, relax, enjoy it, and play the game. Now, before we get started, though, there's some other options. Let's go down to Teams here. If you go into Teams, you can modify any of the team names simply by moving the cursor up and down to select the team that you want. When you have the team you want, hit return. A dialog box will pop up. Simply type in what you want your team name to be. When it's all set, simply hit return again. It'll accept the team name, and then you can move using the left arrow, head back to your main title. Next up, we have our tournament mode option. Tournament mode allows you to play multiple games at this, keeping the scores over a course of several different games played on the unit. To turn tournament mode on and off, simply use your right arrow key to select either on or off. We use our left arrow key to return back to the main menu. Now, virtual host is an option where you can have the virtual host read out all the questions and the answers, or you can allow one of your students to do so if they would like. To simply turn that off, use the right arrow key again to simply toggle on or off your virtual host. Next up is our help function. We can turn your help on. Basically, it just gives you a contextual response to the different things listed here. If you forget how to do something, simply turn on help. It'll give you a little brief overview on how to use the appropriate functions. Next up here, we have updates. So if you'd like to add new shows and we send you a USB stick, simply put the USB stick into the side of the laptop, hit update here, and your new shows will be added automatically and appear in the shows menu up top. If you're having trouble getting the connection between the screen and the laptop, once you've connected your VGA, simply come down here, hit project show, it'll help you out there. Once everything's done and you want to shut down the unit, simply go to shutdown, hit return, and everything will return back to normal, and you can start all over again for another exciting installment of the College Game Show.